What's up, guys? This is Dr. Christian Legaspi from Precision Physical Therapy and Mindful Movements. Before I met Pritam, I was with High Level for about 3 months trying to build a website from scratch, and it took me about the 4th month to finally have a bare bones working website. After I decided to revamp the website to make it look nice and pretty, Pritam came in and was very effective with his communication, and he was very fast in his responses. After about our discussions of what we want, Pritam was able to deliver a very high quality website within 7 to 10 days. After about 2 edits, the website was ready to go, and it looked so nice compared to my bare bones website. So if you need someone that delivers the results for High Level, looking for a high quality website, effective communication, and last but not least the results, Pritam is your guys.